Who doesn't love train journeys? There would be very few people who don't like to travel through train. It is the most cheapest and comfortable transport to reach your destination. Train ride offers a unique traveling experience. Here are top 7 most dangerous railway routes in the world. Number 7. Devil's Nose, Ecuador. The train route of Nariz del Diablo provides breathtaking views as the train runs through the nose of the devil. The government has built a zigzag railway that covers 500-meter hilly area in less than 12 kilometers. Constructed above 9,000 feet above sea level, it is one of the scariest train rides in the world. Number 6. Salta-Polvorillo, Argentina. This train route in Argentina took 27 years to complete that consists of a zigzag track, 21 tunnels and 13 bridges that offers a thrilling experience. It is now used for tourism purpose that is constructed above 4,200 meters above sea level. Enjoy the beautiful scenery while traveling through Tren a las Nubes. Number 5. ASO Miami route, Japan. This is one of the most dangerous routes to cover through the train. The railway track takes place through the volcanic region and you may never know when the next eruption may occur. One can see the lava-burnt forest close to the track. Number 4. Death Railway, Thailand. The train moves through the Myanmar borders and its route is called as Death Railway. The entire route of this train is popularly named as Death Railway. The name Death Railways come from the fact that many POWs lost their lives whilst building during the Second World War. This route is highly dangerous when it encompasses through mountain, dense forest and terrains. Number 3. Georgetown Loop Railroad, Colorado, USA. Georgetown Loop Railroad was the perfect engineering marvel of the late 19th century that scurries between Georgetown and Silver Plume. The horrible experience takes place when the heavy winds coming from forward sides forces the train and makes it difficult to maintain the balance. Number 2. Outenigue, Choo-Tjoe, South Africa. This train covers the most beautiful views that include mountain routes and plains. However, you will find the train route dangerous and thrilling. But it is safer too. If you don't afraid to riskier and love to be adventurous, then you can take this exciting train ride. It gets more risky when it rushes over the Cayman's Bridge when you see ocean all around. Number 1. Chennai-Rameswaram route, India. This train route is built over the sea to get access to the Rameswaram island of southern India. The train includes the Pamban Bridge that represents the hard work and creativity of Indian engineering. You can experience the splash of water on your face during certain seasons when the train scurries on the bridge. Book train tickets to experience this thrilling train ride. Thank you for watching. See you on next video.